Also going on this weekend is the Maumee Valley Steam and Thresher Club's open house. This is the blacksmith shop. There's some engines and different tractors. There's a big old steam tractor over there, traction engine. Put out tons of power. Low RPM and slow speed, but they put out tons of torque, as you can imagine. Steam powered, really. Anything.
EMS, you're needed at the Entertainment Pavilion. EMS, Entertainment Pavilion up here beside the announcer. Needed at the Entertainment Pavilion right now.
Howdy. What you making?
Making a lid lifter.
Oh, I see. Yeah, we have one of those at home. Yeah, ours is just a simple hook we bent in the vise, but we have one of those for our fireside cooking pots. I think the tractor just popped off safety valve. The boiler pop-off safety valve was invented by Erasmus Kunkel of Fort Wayne, Indiana. He used to work for the Pennsy Railroad, but he was the one that invented that, at least for locomotives. Big old traction engine. Now, I'm not sure what that furnace over there is. Looks like a stationary boiler, some sort. Not sure what it runs. Maybe just for the whistles there. So those double acting bellows?
Do what?
Are those double acting bellows?
Yes.
Okay. So what kind of coal are you using? Anthracite?
No, soft bituminous.
Oh, okay.
Mine in West Virginia, the Openhouse number 3 vein.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's similar to what we use in the 765. It's bituminous coal. Not sure if it's Pocahontas coal or not, but Steve told me one time. Well, I'll leave you to your work.
All right.
So how many ponies does it put out?
No, I'm not sure. I don't remember when they had it on the dyno.
How many horsepower? Or, oh, I guess I just asked.
Oh.
What pressure are you running?
My brother Zach can answer that stuff. He normally is the one messing with it. He's around here somewhere. You ever been to the show before?
No. No, I volunteer with the steam engine over at the Fort Wayne Road Historical Society, and I just stepped in some mud.
Okay.
But I work on the steamer out there. I'm not on the running crew, but I work in the shop there. We have it fired up this weekend. Right. You're overflowing. And that's an example of waste. In the steam era, you didn't want to do that.
I want to say it was something around 10. With this 10
So, oh, okay.
But I could be wrong. Like I said, my brother knows more about it than I do.
I see. And what pressure you run at? What's your operating pressure?
I want to say that gauge is normally 30.
Okay. Only 30 pounds of steam?
Earlier it was, anyway. I haven't been around this in 2 years now.
I see. Okay. Yeah, I was just curious.
What do the big ones run at?
Pardon?
You said you volunteer for the engine?
It's a steam locomotive. That's 4,000 horsepower, runs at 245 pounds of superheated steam. Its firebox is like 9 by 12, I think they said. It's at least 8 feet wide by like 10. It's tall enough you can reach up like this. I can reach up and touch the top of it when they touch the crown sheet, which is the top of the boiler.
Yeah.
When the brick arch is out of it.
My grandpa built this one.
Oh, I see. It's a what? Okay.
That's still a half scale.
I see.
I keep pretty busy in the diesel world.
I see.
So it's hard to retain some of this stuff.
Yeah, steam's a different beast entirely.
Yeah. My job's rather changing enough. Try to keep track of that.
Right. Well, I'm going to get a look at this one. Take care. So how many horsepower is this one?
20 horse.
Oh, okay. But it's got massive foot-pounds of torque, though.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I think it's 80 on the drawbar, 60 on the bow. Yeah, it's got just as much torque at 1 RPM as it does at 200 RPM.
Right. Yeah. Yes, I know. I volunteer over at the Railroad Historical Society.
Yeah.
Yeah. How old is it?
Put rivets in the coal bunker over there a long time ago.
What's up?
At 765 when I was just a little kid.
Yeah.
Put rivets in the coal bunker on it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, that was a long time ago.
Oh, yeah.
Back before it wasn't even running.
Right? Yeah, I spent some time in the tender needle scaling. That's a messy situation. All that lime scale and dirt builds up in there, that sediment. It's dirtier than working in the coal box cleaning it, the firebox, anyway. Well, if I'm going to turn the camera off here, because I'm about out of, you know.
It didn't have a fire in it. No, it's actually been letting it cool down while it works on everything. You know where he's at, by the way?
So how long does it take to get one of these up to a head of steam from cold?
About 2 hours.
Oh, 2? Yeah, it takes us 8 hours with the big steam engine.
Yeah, a lot
Well, of
bigger
course.
boiler.
Yes, true. Yes, is this superheated?
Nope.
Oh, okay, just saturated?
No, I'm going back.
Made in LaPorte, Indiana.
I'll be back though.
I've heard of these, but I've never seen one up close. Pretty massive size machine though.